At last, it's the 21st of November 08. It's actually gone for respray. I'll just take you a quick look around the car. It's got the doors, the bonnet, the rear hatch, whatever you want to call it, and also the bonnet above the engine. Spree booth, AD Autos, Stoke On Trent. As you see, the engine is out. I've had it transported here on a transporter, and hopefully when you see the car next time it will be all sprayed. I'm having the same colour green, that's which is a dark green, British Leyland Dark Green. The racing green to me is a little bit too dark. That was just a quick video. Like I said, hopefully next time it'll be all sprayed and back at home. Happy motoring. See you next time.